been a minute. It's been a month exactly. Don't shoot me, okay? Don't beat me up. All 4 of my followers that actually watch my videos. Okay, don't like me. Today we are going over basically how I do nails on a form. I had this client come in that wanted some like hand painted lemon nails, and so I was like, well, F me, I need to practice, okay? So that's exactly what I did. Personally, when I am doing nails on my hand, I place oil down on it because I can easily pop it off right after it's done drying or whatever. So like after I'm done with this nail, I could just pop it off and reuse the nail, and I don't have to go buy another one. But for like 5 seconds ago, that clip I was showing when I kind of just showed what it looked like with the bead, you want to wait for the bead to settle a bit, and it's no longer dotty. It's like all together in one big dollop. It's nice and it's shiny. It's not bumpy before you place the bead down. Now we're just filing because the customer didn't want long nails. Y'all know I'm good for a long nail, but the customer didn't want long nails, so that was exactly why I really needed to practice to have a smaller surface. And then I decided that I was gonna do the other like 5 fingers or whatever, just to continue practicing laying some acrylic on these. These are full-size tips that I got from Makartt, and I just glued them down pretty much. I glued them on top of this thing, and again, they're easy to just pop right the fuck off. I am using Young Nails monomer, of course, and I'm using their acrylic as well. I just don't remember which color this is. I want to say it's like their cover peach or something. Polishes I use today are 337 from Beetles, and I believe I also use their white. So first go around, I made my French line with the small detailer brush, and then just filled it in with the rest of using the big brush of the yellow. But for me, it just, even after like 2-3 coats, because you can't tell, but I'm curing in between each of these coats, the yellow just was not popping enough. So yeah, I used 325 in the white, and that particular nail is going to be my lemonade nail, so all the other nails will not be white like that one. But again, see, I went through and made my French tip with the white first, only 1 coat, and then I go over it in the yellow. Now we are about to start with making the lemons. So it was a white background, and then I just took a pink and kind of blotted it with alcohol after to give it this like marble-esque background. And then doing these lemons were really hard. I probably wiped them off several times, like I honestly can't even count. But what I did was start with like a pretty wide circle and then use the tip of my brush to extend it on either the left or the right side. And I mean, they look like lemons to me. I don't know. Top coated all of the French tip nails. Looking back at it, I think it looked really cool matte. Probably should have left it matte, but whatevs. Nobody was actually wearing these. These are just practice. And here it looks like black, but I'm actually going in with a green to make the little, yeah, there we go. Oh, it was cover pink I was using. To make the little leaves that lemons have. At first, I was like, do lemons even have leaves? I had to literally Google and double check to make sure, because I thought I was going crazy. Like, lemons don't have leaves. Every time I buy my lemons, there's no leaves on them. That's because somebody done took them off. And so these got top coated with the Young Nails High Gloss or something like that. Yeah, and that's it, y'all. These are our final looks. I think it came out really good. I've been really trying to practice hard on my hand-drawn art and really execute way better. And I'm proud of myself.